We're here on site at Jodo Mission, and in the fires, obviously, you can see what's happened behind me here. And the way the drainage is set up on this concrete area behind me here, it has this hole with a pipe. In the old days, things that drain, they'd wash down the deck, would go straight there, right to the ocean, right on the beach. So now this is filled with all this toxic material behind me. So what we're doing to mitigate some of this is if we've taken the drain and then we've filled it with wood chips, with mycelium, and also vetiver grass that will fill in that hole with a mass of roots that'll work like a filter system that will allow little bits of water to get out slowly but surely, but it will actually mitigate quite a bit of the toxins. All behind us on the coast and what's in front of us over here, we've planted out vetiver grass, and we'll be planting out some other native plants that will sort of help mitigate the erosion and some of the effects that are gonna happen with all this toxic material only seconds, a few feet away from the ocean. We're trying to keep some of that ash and toxins out of the ocean physically, but also bioremediate some of it with some plants such as vetiver grass from these sites that have a lot of toxic material on them. We're about to get our first rains. And so yeah, this is part of the project, giving away vetiver grass, trying to inspire folks to plant it where they can see that there's going to be ash drifting off down the street or down into the ocean. Try to put some sock barriers up with wood chips, as well as planting several different native plants as well as vetiver grass to sort of help mitigate.